have to rest?
Natulog kami buong araw, ma'am.
That's nice to hear. Okay, sir. Unang-una, how are you po? Talagang ang daming gusto magtanong, kumusta po si President Duterte?
Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. Wala nga.
Okay, sir. Hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, sir. Nitong weekend, lalo na kahapon, ang dami hong nagulantang at nagpanik dahil dun sa balita. Ano po ba talaga ang nakarating sa inyo, sir? Meron daw po ba kayo talagang warrant of arrest? Ano po?
Alam mo, ma'am, what is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the, communications. Very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant. Ilang segundo lang. So, ang masasabi ko, ma'am, is though I do not claim ignorance about